The Univer brake interlock system, or UBIS, was first designed and manufactured in 1981 in a collaboration between Univer and the Shell Company of Australia. Over the past 30 years, thousands of these units have been keeping people safe from unscheduled departures throughout Australia. Univer is now partnering with Woolworths, who have enhanced the original design with the addition of visual indicators and audible alarms. More than 500 Woolworths trucks will be fitted with the Univer brake interlock system. The UBIS has been designed to prevent a trailer's park brake from releasing while its rear door is open. The UBIS can only be activated when the park brake has been applied in the prime mover. The dock area of any warehouse can be a dangerous environment if dock safety procedures are not followed by all employees and contractors. In particular, it's at the edge of the dock where potential hazards can occur if the trailer was to separate from the dock due to an unscheduled departure. When a driver is preparing to back into a dock at a Woolworths distribution centre, he must wait until he sees a green light outside on the dock wall. This is a visual indication that the dock is ready to receive a vehicle. Once the driver has successfully backed the trailer into position at the docking bay, he applies the prime mover's park brake, which activates the UBIS. He can then exit the cabin, disconnect the supply lines, uncouple from the trailer, and drive away from the docking area. The trailer is fitted with indicators and audible alarms. One is installed onto the front of the trailer for driver information. When the rear trailer door is open, the indicator will change from green to red. The UBIS will not allow the trailer's park brake to release again until the rear trailer door has been closed. The other alarm enclosure is fitted inside the trailer, mounted to the wall beside the door entry for dock personnel. When a dock worker opens the rear trailer door, the indicator will change from red to green, signalling that the trailer brakes have been applied and that once the leveller has been extended, it's safe to enter the trailer. The dock worker can now commence his job of loading or unloading the trailer. He's safe in the knowledge that UBIS has secured the trailer's brakes and that there won't be any sudden trailer separation from the dock. When the dock worker has finished his task, he'll stow away the leveller, close and secure the trailer's rear door, and close the dock door. The dock worker will then activate the green light using the dock controls. A driver can only approach the trailer in the prime mover after he has sighted both the dock light and trailer indicator showing green. There is clear instructions located on two signs on the front of the trailer that should be strictly observed. The UBIS will immediately recognise that the rear trailer door has been closed and will now allow the park brake to operate normally. The driver's alarm enclosure indicator has changed from red to green. It's essential that the driver confirm the status of the indicators fitted adjacent to the airline couplings and only couple when the indicator is showing green. He can now safely couple airlines, perform a visual check of the kingpin, disengage the trailer brakes, perform a tug test, check the dock light and the trailer indicator for a third and final time, then drive away from the docking area. A driver should never connect the park brake coupling and release the park brake in the cabin when the indicator is red. That is, while the trailer's rear door is open. If he does this, an alarm will sound for the driver and for the dock worker. The dock worker should exit the trailer immediately and can only return when the indicator shows green. A dock worker must never enter a trailer when the visual indicator is showing red, even when the audible alarm is not sounding. The red indicator is a sign of an unsafe condition. The whistle alarm will continue to sound until the park brake has been reapplied. In this situation, if the driver has forgotten to apply the park brake, then exits the cabin to confer with DC staff, even when they close the rear trailer door, the trailer's park brake will still be applied. The driver must return to the prime mover, apply the park brake, wait 5 seconds, then release the park brake. The trailer's park brake has now been released, so he can safely depart from the dock. Any incident where a driver backs up to, couples to, and departs with a trailer when its indicator is red, when the alarm sounds, or when the dock light is red, will be investigated by the Woolworths safety team. When the rear trailer door is closed and secure, and the park brake has been released on the trailer, the UBIS is dormant. This means that the door detection mechanism is isolated and does not have any control over the braking system of the prime mover and trailer combination. In the event of a rear trailer door inadvertently opening while the rig is in motion, the park brake will not automatically apply. It's not until the rig comes to rest and the park brake is applied by the driver that the UBIS will activate. The UBIS will not allow the trailer's park brake to release again until the door has been closed. All of the new procedures presented in this training video also apply to yard trucks. Yard trucks will no longer be able to move a trailer when its rear door is open. The Univer brake interlock system, confirming Woolworths' commitment to safety for all employees.